Hello everyone, if you are also not finding data analysis option in your MS Excel software, data analysis option always you can find in data option right here. Okay, so if your MS Excel don't have this option, so how you can bring this? So to bring this, you need to go to the file option firstly, and now click on the options setting. Now you can see there option add-ins. Simply click here, and now here you have to press go. Many of you make a mistake by clicking here. So you don't have to click on OK. Just click on go. Now here you will see two similar options like analysis toolpack and analysis toolpack VBA. So you need to click on analysis toolpack VBA. Check mark on this and press OK. Now your data analysis option will be visible on data option, right? Now you can see here on data tab, you can get this option by following this method. So if you find this video helpful, please like and do subscribe. Thank you.